Hey folks, just going to do a quick video. I've been talking the last couple of days that if Theta hit $1.50, I would sell half my trading Theta bag that I bought at 98 cents last month, and that's what I just did on KuCoin. As everybody knows, I have a trading bag on KuCoin that I kind of mess around with and trade, and I have my long-term HODL bag that I keep on a hardware wallet. Nice, cozy, safe, and secure. I'm accumulating as much Theta as I can for the next couple years, as well as Cardano. Now, my plan was, I've been saying this for, I guess, about a month. If you look at my previous videos, Theta would easily hit $1.50 again, and that's what it did, so I sold half. I was also hoping to be able to sell half my Cardano this week, as long as the market's pumped at 70 cents. But Cardano delayed the Vasco hard fork, and that means Cardano is still sitting at 50 cents. I truly believe if that hard fork wasn't delayed, Cardano would be at least 65, 70 cents right now, and we'd be trading out of both of them and really making a killing, at least on our trading account. But Vasco hard fork delayed till next month. That's fine. We'll wait and see what happens. But as far as Theta, man, and guys, I shouldn't say man, but if you guys bought Theta at 98 cents, I do think the stock market's probably going to dump out at some point next week. I think it's almost inevitable Theta is going to go back down to like at least $1.10 or even $1 if the stock market dumps and Bitcoin dumps. There's no guarantee it's going to happen, folks. That's why I always have a long-term HODL bag I don't touch until we go into a bull market. But if you're up 50% in Theta and you bought a ton of it at 98 cents like I did, especially if you've been watching my videos and you bought along with me at 98 cents, now is a great time to take some off the table. Even if you don't have a trading bag and you just like bought, say you bought a couple $1,000s worth of Theta at 98 cents, hey, let's sell a little bit, maybe sell like 20 or 30% of it and just keep that on the side. And if Theta dumps back down to $1, buy back in and buy some more. But this also goes to show how quickly these coins can pump. Theta up 50%, that's pretty crazy. Not many coins are up 50% in the last month. With Theta, I truly believe it bottomed out at about $1. Doesn't mean it won't go down to like 90 or 80 cents, but I just don't think it's going to go much lower. And I'm very comfortable right now deploying large capital into Theta at below $1.10, and that's what I've been doing. Just because you have to keep in mind when Bitcoin was $30,000, $35,000, Theta was right where it is right now. Bitcoin dropped $10,000, $30,000 to $20,000. Theta only dropped like 10 cents when that happens. That basically shows me that Theta has such strong support under $1. It's going to be very hard to get Theta for under $1. I mean, I could see in a flash crash we get our Theta for like 80 cents, 90 cents, something like that. But you're going to see a massive pump just like you just did. So Theta went from 98 cents to $1.55. I sold mine at $1.50. That's what is that, like a 45% gain? Actually, I think it was like $1.52 that I sold my Theta for. And it could go higher. We don't know. I sold half my trading bag on KuCoin. If Theta gets up to $2, I'll sell the other half. And I'll just rinse and repeat that, rinse and repeat. And my goal was to get as much Theta as possible with that. So I just hold it in USDT on KuCoin, and when it dumps further, I buy more, and that's pretty much it. And you can just rinse and repeat until we go into a bull market. So, folks, take your profits. Some of these coins are up substantially, like Polymatic. If you got Polymatic at 39 cents, I would totally take some profits. Anything you're up substantially in, it's always good to take a little bit off the table, just because there's a really good chance we're going to dump into the oblivion next week. I think there's going to be one more flush out, especially with the stock market and with crypto, and we're just seeing a little bit of a dead cat bounce right now. This happens in bear markets when you've just dumped so much. You get a few days of bullish action. So don't get too bullish right now, folks. If you're up on something, just take a little bit off the table, and then when we dump back down, you'll be happy you did, and you won't be stressing out. Folks, like and subscribe to my videos. I haven't been saying that. Subscribe, just to show your support if you like my videos. I try to make a couple of videos a day at this point in the bear market, even though it's boring. And no matter what happens, I'll be making videos in the bear market or the bull market, and we'll just go from this bear market to the bull market, and in 2 years, we'll all be sitting pretty. All right, folks, have a good weekend.